Video we're going to look at mathematics paper 1. Specifically, we are going to look at how to solve an equation. So mathematics is not always about solving different questions. It is about knowing a simple way in which you can answer a question. Find yourself a way in which you are going to handle the question. That is mathematics. So we have solved the equation, open bracket x minus 1, then close to the power 2. Then minus 25 is equal to 0. Then here we have to provide two solutions, and that is 2 marks. For paper 1, you have to answer using the spaces which are going to be provided for you. So in this case, I have a power here, so I have to take this 25 to the other side. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have x minus 1 to the power 2, and this is going to be equal to 25. Of course, we know today that 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power 2, but in this case here, we have to provide two answers. So those two answers can only come once we square both sides. So if we square both sides, this one as well as this one here, meaning to say, what are we going to have here? We're going to have x minus 1, and this is going to be equal to, since the square can be both positive or negative, so we are going to have plus or minus 5. We notice that the square root of 25 is 5. So one solution has to have x minus 1, and this is going to be equal to positive 5, or we can say x minus 1, and this is going to be equal to negative 5. So for this one, when this one crosses an equal sign, it is going to give us what? X is equal to 6. And when this one here crosses an equal sign, remember this is negative. When it crosses an equal sign, it's going to be positive, and this is negative. So we're going to have x, then negative 5 plus 1, which is going to give us what? Negative 4. So the solutions that we have, you need to start with a smallest one and end with a bigger one. So we are going to have negative 4, and then, or we can say positive 6. So these are the solutions.